Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to move the search bar in iOS 16 Safari method. So let us get started. First, open Safari on your iOS device and navigate to a web page. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the address bar where you can enter URL and search terms. Look for the AA icon at the left end of the address bar. If you don't see it, try swiping down on the open web page to scroll up and the AA icon should appear. Tap on the AA icon to bring up a pop-up menu with various options. From the pop-up menu, select Show Top Address. The address bar will instantly move to the top of the screen. If you want to move the address bar back to the bottom of the screen, tap the AA icon again. Now, the AA icon will be at the top left corner of the screen. From the pop-up menu, choose Show Bottom Address Bar, and the address bar will be moved back to its original position at the bottom of the screen. By using this Safari method, you can easily customize the position of the search bar in iOS 16 according to your preference and convenience. Whether you prefer quick access to the search bar at the top of the traditional location at the bottom, it's now easy to adjust the layout to suit your browsing needs. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.